Okay, so in some of the previous videos I talked about, how we print our models, how we process our models, and then how we actually create the aligner trays. And we talked about how putting them in a retainer case, ideally that's labeled with your office name, your phone number, so that patients can reach out to you, but you're not going to give that to them every single appointment. You need some way to package the actual aligners. So in this video I'm going to try to talk about that. So anything that I mention as far as products that I use, I try to include the product link where I get them, wherever that is, in the video description, whether that's Amazon or an actual orthodontic store or whatnot. So what we used to use baggies, lunch baggies, and we just write on it. It looks a bit chintzy, and anyway, so we adopted a new way of doing things. We use a Dymo printer, a label printer. You can use it for shipping and whatnot. But so we go ahead and open it up. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. One time we had to go in and we had to create an actual label that had our logo at the top, and then I added the name and a spot for the upper and lower, because we're not always in the same tray for the upper and lower, so I think it's important to have different spots. So you'll have to set this up one time. It's pretty simple to do, and make sure you're using the right label size. We use the 4 by 2 and 5/16. So for this example, Jane Doe is getting her upper 3rd tray and her lower 5th tray, for example. Click print. And here is our patient label, okay? So we'll come on over here. We've got our label, and we've got a bag of Mylar bags, okay? So the first thing we want to do is I want to find out which side is the open end. I'm going to set it down here, and I'm going to peel off the bottom of the sticker. Put that right down here. Okay, bag is now labeled. Let's get this opened up. Go ahead and grab some gloves for the patient aligners. Set them up, slide them on in here. Okay. And so right here, this is the little heat sealer, pretty simple. All we're going to do is set the bag across the heat element, close it down, you see the light go on, and then in just a moment it will turn off. So we now have a sealed bag with the patient's name and the numbers, all ready for patient delivery. That's about it.